Oh hey, what is up? How are you doing? So this video is gonna help you enhance your dining experience by giving you some basics on how to get the right wine with your meal. For more sips and tips in your girl tea, be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell when the next video is coming up. Alright, so let's get next level with your date nights, your girls' night, or just hanging out by yourself. This video is gonna help you know the basics for enjoying your meal with a nice glass or bottle. I'm not gonna judge your journey, do you boo-boo, but taking it to the next level for an all-out awesome sauce experience. Are you ready? Let's go. In case you don't know me, I'm Tiara, aka T, the Wine Diva. And what I do is help you boo-boo. I help you find wines that you're gonna know and love, and I also help people find a career and start a career in the wine business. Drop in the comments if you have any questions about what it is I do, and I'm happy to help you. So why is it important to know what wines are gonna pair with your meal? To keep with the musical realm, let's think of it as if you have this dish over here and you're pairing it with this wine and they're not really complementary, you can think of it as a dissonant chord, something ah! It doesn't really sound pretty, you can listen to it, nobody died, and it's alright. But if you have this dish over here and the perfect wine to go with it, they balance each other out, they go well, it's just ah! Did the music analogy make sense again? I hope so. Let me know below if the music and wine analogies are clicking in your brain. Now you can always follow the classic rule, red wine going with your red meats or something heavier, and then your white wine going with your lighter meats and things that are lighter, and it's a really cool rule. But the thing about it is, wines aren't just red and white, there's got rosé in there, there's bubbly, where does all of that fit in? Some wines are kind of light, some wines are kind of heavy, and within that realm of just red and white, they have their own different characteristics that can be bolder, they can be lighter, they can be sweeter, they can be drier. So what does all that mean when you're pairing it with your food? I don't think it's really the best way to pair your wine. There's so many different factors that just white wine with your white meat and red wine with your red meat is kind of not that helpful, right? So if you want a little bit more specific wine with a specific dish, definitely check out the lifestyle section of my website, tastingswitht.com, and you will get specific wine, the very specific recipe, and it's gonna be good. Put it together, have a party. So really you should be thinking about pairing like with like. What does that mean? Pairing your lighter wines with your lighter meals, and pairing your bigger, bolder, heavier wines with your bigger, bolder, heavier meals. Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. So if you have something chicken and asparagus, it's light, it's airy, it's fluffy, you might want to pair it with something light, airy, and fluffy, like a Sauvignon Blanc. I'd steer away from Chardonnay because there's so much that can happen with Chardonnay. But yeah, you can go over there. And if you have your steak and your potatoes, you might want to go with a Cab Sav, and it's heavier. But they both naturally have just a heavier or lighter flavor depending on which wine we're going with, right? If it makes you happy, then do you. But if you want that more elevated experience, then sticking with the like with like is gonna help you out. If you enjoyed this video, you got some good information, please show some love, put some likes in there, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.